Here we have Polygon symbol MATIC versus the dollar, and we did, or not we, but MATIC did validate above its 230-ish region, which did initiate a retest of prior highs. We did say from yesterday in the day prior's video. Now I'd be looking for a little bit of a short-term pullback from retesting yesterday's high, but don't confuse pullback with reversal. This thing is massively bullish long-term. The weekly closed on new highs, I believe. Yes, indeed it did. Coming into this week, the 5 days is obviously going to be closed on new all-time highs as well, and it did. And so I would be looking for more long-term continuation, you know, in the next following weeks, maybe month and a half or so, somewhere around about 310 to 350 maybe. Tree Fitty, that's good old Tree Fitty right there. I believe that's also, or if I had to guess, it's probably going to be in line with the measure move off of an ascending triangle right here, and yeah, that's about your $3 area right there. So, you know, I would be looking for pullbacks along the way. $3 to 310 is going to be an area of interest, and then 350 actually. So this one's massively strong. Again, coming into the end of the year, this is exactly what you want to be seeing. This monthly is powerful as all hell. Girthy green dildos in my face, and that is actually what we want to be looking for right now. Anyways, what would invalidate this one on short-term bullishness? In this case, it's not going to be too helpful, but it would be below about 2.25. That would destroy the short-term boo law case. Daily, below about 210 would destroy the boo law case for what it's worth right now. Weekly is just generally good, generally good right now. All higher term time frames bullish on this one. Don't need to make it any more complicated than that. Remember, yesterday, what were we essentially getting bullish off of? It was the hidden bullish divergence drives that we saw all the way up to a daily, 2-day, and I believe 5-day. No, actually the 5-day did not have it, but the 5-day did crack back into the bullish control zone right here. And the weekly, same thing as well. All of this is good stuff alongside volatility and expanding here too. So we have volatility expanding plus trend continuation plus momentum all in the same pane. That all looks good in the hood to me. So we're just kind of following up on this one, and you know, same thing as Bitcoin, just slowly but surely as all of the boxes get ticked and checked, can increase those targets, and looking good there, man. Nothing more complicated than that. Just want to briefly check it out from this angle over here, just to see if there's anything that's staring me in the eye. And if anything, it's actually suggesting, you know, a lot more continuation from where we're at right now. In fact, the 2-day stochastic momentum, which is actually going to be closing tonight, it's going to have a chance to close above and break this trend line that it's been working on since August, actually, since summer lows. So that is of interest right there as well. I think the 5-day just closed last night, or it certainly did close last night. Upside posturing still. Daily is also upside posturing as long as above 220. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that this one very likely continues onwards and forwards towards $3 within the next few weeks, maybe month and a half, towards those more interesting targets. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Polygon, sir.